If your business keeps solving the same problem over and over again, you do not just have a workload issue. You probably have a standardization issue. In a lot of small businesses, repeated work still depends on memory. One person knows how to handle a quote. Another person knows how to onboard a customer. Someone else remembers how follow-up is supposed to happen, and that works right up until things get busy. Then quality becomes inconsistent. Steps get skipped. Customers get different experiences. And the owner has to keep jumping back in to fix things manually. That is exhausting. It also makes the business harder to scale because every repeated task still depends on someone remembering what to do. Standardizing repeated work means turning the best version of a process into the default version. It means asking, what are the steps? What information do we need? Who owns each part? What should always happen the same way? Once that is clear, you can create a simple, repeatable system. This does not need to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with a checklist. Sometimes it is a form. Sometimes it is a template. Sometimes it is an automation that triggers the next action. The goal is not bureaucracy. The goal is consistency. When repeated work is standardized, the team spends less energy deciding what to do every single time. That means fewer mistakes, faster onboarding, and more predictable results. It also creates the foundation for automation. Because if a process changes completely every time, it is hard to automate. But if the steps are clear and repeatable, automation becomes much easier. Imagine a business that sends proposals manually. Every time a lead comes in, someone writes the details down, builds the quote from scratch, sends it, and then tries to remember to follow up later. That creates inconsistency immediately. Some leads get a fast response. Some get a slow one. Some get a strong proposal. Some get something rushed. Now imagine the business standardizes the process. Every lead is captured through one intake step. The information goes into one place. A proposal template pulls in the right details. A reminder is triggered automatically if there is no reply. Now repeated work becomes a process instead of a guessing game. That improves quality for the customer and removes a lot of pressure for the team. And as volume grows, the process still holds up because it was designed to be repeatable. If your business keeps repeating the same task in slightly different ways, that is a sign you need standardization. Pick one process that happens every week. Write down the best version of it. Turn that into the default. Then look for the steps that can be automated. That is how you move from chaos to process. And once repeated work becomes consistent, growth gets much easier to handle. If you want more practical videos on automation and business systems, subscribe for more from Legion Algo Labs.